thousands of crores pending in all the department in Karnataka because there is no money. This is a pauper government. So for 5 guarantee they are using the regular fund. So that's why there is a shortage of money for the contractor. But contractor already given many notice, many meetings, no implication. So all the contractor, one contractor in Davanagere, he decided to suicide, Daya Marana. He given the letter to the governor and the government also. Not one person, many persons. Today the contract association, in the press meet they told, within a month you are not released, we will go for strike. So one thing very important, same contract association yesterday they claimed, in this government there is no 40%, 40%, above 40%. That is the allegation made by the contractors, in Karnataka contractors. I think every department, you go to any building plan, in Bangalore you are building 30-40, you have to pay 10 lakhs corruption. 40-60 site you have to pay 20 lakhs. More than 50-80 you have to pay 30 lakhs rupees. If you build a flats, that is a 75 rupees per square feet. For RERA, 15%. Every flat they have to pay 15,000. So nobody in Bangalore or all over Karnataka, the builders are fed up because of the most corrupt in the entire sanction of the NOC and construction of the building, OC, start the building and complete the building. Within this time, every builder have to pay more than 10 to 15 crores.